Hey guys, we are from the team Happy Learnaholic and today we are going to see the question print operators. Moving ahead with the question, the program is accept n integers and two other integer p and q as the input. For each value of x among n integer, the program must print the operator based on the following condition. If p divides q, then print division symbol. If p into q is a result of x, then print multiplication symbol. If p plus q is the result of x, then print addition symbol. If p minus q is equal to x, then print subtraction symbol. If all the cases are false, then print hash symbol. And moving ahead, the order of precedence is division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. And division is flow division, that is 3 by 2 will be given as 1 and not 1.33. Okay. Moving ahead with the boundary condition, n can be less than 100. Each value can be less than 10 to the power of 8. PQ value also can be less than 10 to the power of 8. First line you get the input, second line you get a set of values, set of n values separated by a space. Third line you get the value of p and q in order to perform this operation. First and then output format, first line contains operator separated by space. That's it. So moving ahead, explanation part, first you're getting the input. Okay, you're getting the input, that is n, and then you're getting n numbers here, and then you're getting a p and q. So let it be a and b, and this bn, that is 6bn, and then this list bl. Okay, so this is how I've named it here also. So this input only is got up here in this part. After this, you're moving ahead to the explanation part. Integer 2. 2 is the result of 10 by 5, right? So what you have to do is you have to take this 10 and 5 and see what gives you 2. Now what gives you 2? 10 divided by 5 gives you 2. So you are printing division symbol. And then 50. What gives you 50? 10 into 5 gives you 50. So this symbol is printed. And for 7, nothing gives you 7, right? This will not give you 7, this will not give you 7, this will also not give you 7, and this also. So when nothing, addition, subtraction, multiplication, nothing gives you the value, then you have to simply print the hash symbol. So you're printing the hash symbol. X and then 5. So 5, now the value of x is 5, and then you're checking whether it is equal. So it is equal, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5, so then minus is printed. And here again nothing is equal, so you're printing hash symbol. And here 15, so 10 plus 5 is 15, so you're printing plus symbol. This is the main explanation, and the same thing is there for output 2 also. Moving ahead with the program, first 3 lines you're getting the input, and for I in range n, so n times you are iterating, and then you're checking a by first or with the order of precedence, division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. First you're checking with, and we are doing double division here, that is flow division. You're checking whether it's equal to the ith value. If it is equal, then you print division here, else multiplication you check, and then subtraction you check. Last you check for addition. If nothing comes, you just simply print hash value. So that's for today. Meet you again in the next video. Thank you guys.